this is where Stanley Meyer would have had his water powered car. This is where he kept it. And yeah, just want to show you guys. You can see it from all the other videos. And there is an article that is still online. I think it's a PDF where you could open a dealership, and that's how I came across this address, because this is in my hometown. So I knew I could find it, but the PDF, again, is still available online to open up a dealership. I'm assuming with them, but it puts the address at 3792, I believe, Broadway, and that's in my hometown. And addresses do change, and this is behind a building that used to be a doctor's office. Now, my father was one of the investigators on the case, not the lead investigator, but he did tell me that the car was actually at a farm down the street, which is south of, south on Route 62. And that's where I believe the car was stolen from. I'd have to ask him some more questions about that, though. So I don't think the car was actually stolen from here. And if you look, you can see all the lights, because Stanley was extremely paranoid and whatnot. And it is a little odd that the car was stolen 7 days after his death. There is also a living space above the garage, and if you can see from all the other videos, this is where they did keep the car, and I think that's why he had all the lights out there as well. And it is odd how that document is still on the internet. I don't know. It even provides an old fax number. Just very strange. But if anybody does have any extra information on anything, just leave them in the comments below. Very interesting. How cool would it be to own this building? Really neat. And you guys take care. Thanks for watching.